Hey everyone, so today I want to be showing a kind of another camera script. I showed one a couple months ago that was really good for kind of RPGs or your kind of FPS games. This one right here I did not create, I just kind of edited the script minorly, but basically the main script I'll show where it came from in a few seconds. But this script would be good for kind of RTSs, or if you kind of want like I guess like a League of Legends kind of top-down style. So what it looks like is if we just go ahead and pop it on up, you basically have, this is your player node, right? And you can rotate around them, or you can zoom in and out, zoom in out, zoom in. And this allows you to actually use your mouse to control where he walks to. So if you very much wanted to, you could just have a mouse input and you can control where the object walks to, but while using WASD and the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. So how this works is pretty straightforward. There's actually a tutorial, but I'll just go ahead and walk you through it real quick. Basically, all you do is you create one spatial, you then create a second spatial. So just boom right in here, spatial, spatial, two in a row, and then you create a camera node. And then you grab the script and you go ahead and copy and paste it into the main spatial right here, the first one. And then you select what object you want it to move around. And so for this, I just called this, the player is just this mesh instance here, and it'll run. It's really simple, really easy. There's actually a tutorial up here, which I'll put in the description. And he does, or she does, a lot better job explaining this than I do. I just kind of want to let people be aware, because from my looking around on YouTube especially, there wasn't really this thing. There wasn't a WASD camera control. Everything was mouse, which is awesome. You can do that with this as well. Just got to change a couple things, but basically, yeah, this is the whole code for it. Step by step, I would recommend following the code and not just copying the end, because I did that and it was a little funky. So I just followed this through. It takes like 5 minutes to set up. Really easy. So thanks for watching.